In my opinion, nowadays drought problem is increasing day by day. It's affect our economics because many farmers are depend agriculture, and India population nearly 54 percentage population depend in agriculture. There are many reasons for drought. One of the most reason is global warming. That's
Yes, sir, I agree with you. And as you mentioning about our agriculture system badly affected by droughts, because our government is not aware about it. We can avoid its bad effect by taking some step by canals, making canals and reservoirs, which help us to in a critical situation of droughts.
Yeah, I'm agree with my friend. As my friend mentioned, global warming is a major cause of droughts. Due to global warming, our earth temperature day by day increases, and due to this, our earth drought increases in area, and there is deforestation and industrialization is also major cause of drought. That's all. Thank you.
Yes, friends, I agree with you that still about the global warming. As we know that global warming affect drought, and another thing is deforestation. As we know that tree root has capacity to take ground level of water up, but due to deforestation, day by day ground level of water decrease, and that problem created drought.
As Indian farming is dependent on the 60% on the rainfall and the natural precipitation, but due to deforestation, over exploitation of waters, they cannot get enough irrigation to their crops, especially in Kharif season, where it can result in major droughts, and the cereals cannot be harvested properly, and that could lead in the loss of GDP as well as loss in the lives of farmers, as we read in newspapers.
I agree with you, but I want to add some more point that in India is an agriculture dominated country, and more than 60% of people depend on agriculture. But due to a drought, some people are depends on job but not agriculture, because there is a mainly in India there is not good monsoon.
Friends, as we know that droughts is a natural disaster. Mainly three types of droughts: hydrological droughts and meteorological droughts and agriculture drought. I pointed out on agriculture drought because in our many population depends upon farming, and many farmer, my friend talk about my farmer losses our life, because droughts created many affected things in our society, in our life, because not only the government is responsible for drought, I will also responsible for drought, because many deforestation, why deforestation created? Mainly population increases in our society and our country, and in droughts many migration problem is also created, also affected by our droughts, also affected by our GDP, and our country also we get depreciated.
As the matter of population, it is not the problem of government. It is just a natural calamity, and we have to make sure that we do not over exploit water resources and over irrigate our fields, and over exploit the water resources, that we can use proper water, so there will be ground level water will be balanced, and we can use that water.
I totally agree with my friend, as I mentioned about the Kharif crops. Yeah, Kharif crop needs more water, but what we can do to save water in also Kharif crops? We should promote the drip irrigation system also in the in agriculture sector. And second thing we can do that we should reduce the usage of water in industrial area, and in industrial area we should reduce it by using less amount of water. That's all.
Yes, friends, I agree with you, and we want to include some points. Natural drought is natural phenomena, but also it creates human beings by using excess waters for irrigation, and also use excess amount of water in for industries. But main reasons for deforestation, as a result, human beings cuts a number of trees for life on lands, and also it's creates by main regions in India is weak of southwest monsoons. Thanks to
Drought is the main cause of poverty. Most of Indian population depends on agriculture sector. Due to droughts, agriculture are destroyed.
Yeah, I agree with you. Our country, 52% people depend on agriculture, and due to droughts, lots of people dies, and there is scarcity of water. Same, and they forced to be migrate from that places, and there are also a lack of education, unemployment created in that places.
Last year, our government has announced almost 18 states has suffering from droughts because of their uses of most of water excessive, and the most reason is use of deforestation and lack of global warming and the change of cultural.
My friend said about the drought is the main cause of agriculture sector, but I said about not only agriculture sector, our infrastructure sector, industrial sector, and on our human beings also affected by droughts, because purity of water not be available in that condition. Our mainly rivers are drought condition are also affected by many our rivers like Yamuna, also polluted by our Indian citizen polluted the Yamuna river, not comes to government created this type of effect. So drought is also the problem to created also our Indian citizen. Drought is mainly caused our population, because migration is only the main problem. Our Indian GDP also affected by this type of cause. So we avoid this type of creation and limitation to the drought.
I agree with my friend, because Ganga and Jamuna are perennial rivers that run throughout the whole year. But droughts comes only in a summer season, that causes the most impact on the agriculture sector of India. Because when the cereals and when the farm is they do not harvest many crops, they do not harvest rice, wheat or sugarcane type of crops. How can we eat our basic foods? So the drought mainly affect the agriculture sector, and from agriculture sector the GDP, the industrial sector is also impacted, because both of them are connected to each other. So there is no. The government should make canals from these rivers like Ganga and Yamuna to the drought-prone area, so that they can get easily water access, and the crops will be get harvested.
Yeah,
Friends, I agree with you that tell about
about
it affect our agriculture sector badly, because we see lots of news of suicide come in Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, as you see that because the farmer fully dependent on agriculture sector, and as we know that drought affect our agriculture sector badly, because they fully dependent, and by dint of this they can survive their life. So drought is a very bad condition.
Yes, I agree with you. Drought is also defect our tourism sector.
Drought is a big problem in our country. Drought is mostly affected in agricultural sector. In rural areas, 60% farmers are fully dependent on agriculture.
Yeah, I agree with you as my friend mentioned, but in my opinion, pollution is also a major cause of drought. Because if you continuously polluted our rivers and the canal through river going in villages area, so these water are not used for agriculture. This is also cause of drought.
As friend, I was mentioning about today, many rivers are polluted very well by fossils of village and cities. So I think government should need to there is make many policies and try their best to reduce effect of this. It help us to increase our GDP, and because of as you know, our Indian society is almost depend on agriculture, so it will help us to boost up our economy and GDP, and it also increase in employment and decrease the starvation and
Yeah, I agree with you. Drought main cause is
population and pollution and deforestation and many other things. He is badly affected to our primary sector. Primary sector very contribute to our GDP, and our government good step to reduce this effect, like our farmer financial help to our government.
State
like Uttar Pradesh is the most supplier of sugarcane. Sugarcane is
depend on a primary sector. As you know, all it's created many unemployment and starvation. That think about if primary sector is badly affected by this, then I think all sectors are other sectors are affected badly by it.
In April, government announced eight states facing the problem of droughts. Example, Kerala, Karnataka, and Uttarakhand, UP. And in Kerala, Karnataka, people's brought water for drinking. And
Yes, friends.
and many and droughts mainly affected our agriculture sectors. In 60% our population depend on agriculture, and 70% our economics rural area household depend on agriculture, and 70% of our GDP depend on agriculture. So drought mainly affect our agriculture.
Group discussion. Who is keep please keep their points in group discussion and here. That's it.
Yes, friends, I am agree with your point, but in my opinion, drought is the worst effect our economic sector, and because Indian people is the depends on agriculture sector.
Yes, and my friend, Indian people depend on agriculture, and droughts are many region and deforestation and many pollution for use many water and not safe and not rainfall and many population for.
According to me, deforestation is a major sector for increasing drought. We cut a lot of tree due to increase in population. We cut a lot of tree for making our houses, factory, etc.
I am totally agree with my friend, as I mentioned, and I want to add some point that it's somehow we are also responsible for the drought. We are using excess amount of water in our daily lives. You can also take an example of tube well. It is illegal in India to bore a tube well, but people are boring tube well anywhere without any permission, without any permission of the government, and they are draining out the excess amount of water as much as they can, and that's also reduces the groundwater. Level of the groundwater. It also affect the drought.
Yeah, I agree with you. In this year, April, our government declared 8-state drought condition. It is very serious problem for our country, because our half GDP depend on this state, and if drought condition continuously going in this state, it badly affected our GDP and overall economic growth of the nation.
Yes, friends, I agree with you, and we want to include some points. Droughts, human beings badly affected due to droughts. They do not able to many activities like not usage for domestic works, and also farmers are also affected. They do not able to irrigate their crops, and also many in our country many states are affected through droughts like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and many more.
Yes, friends, I agree with you that you tell about it affect our farmer system very badly, because after drought condition happen in that area, whole people, mostly of the people migrated from that people, and condition of that area become bad to worse. That's a big problem, and lots of employee person get tried from that person, that palace, and that's a big problem.
As per my point of view, there are many. Dear friends, in my point of view, why created drought? The mainly reason of created droughts is less falling rain. And why? Because people are not serve the forest, so this region less falling rain and droughts are created. So we should serve the forest and less drought.
As per my point of view, there are many regions of droughts, but the main reason is the population. The day by day increasing the population
Yes, I agree with friend. Main reason for population and people deforestation and not safety and home to home boarding and motor and below water from khet and.
I agree with friend. Indian farmer is 60% depends on drought. Drought is very necessary in environmental life.
I'm agree with friend. Drought is natural disaster, but human being is also responsible for it. Increasing population, deforestation is the main reason behind the drought. Global warming is also the main reason behind the drought. Most of our farmers depend on agriculture. If sometime drought is occurred in India, most of the farmers suicide. Our government should take decision on drought. Thanks.
Drought is a major factor for the people of Rajasthan. The people of Rajasthan going a miles for water.
Drought. At last, my opinion, I conclude that the scarcity of water due to irresponsible of human being, because government has taken many steps and aware the people, but we should not change our mind, and we are aware on him.
As we conclude that drought is caused by human beings, and also it is human beings are responsible for these natural disasters, and also our governments take steps towards it, and also reduce and eliminate these natural disasters. Thanks.
At last, I want to conclude by saying that what we can do for reducing the drought. We can do on the basic level. We should reduce the excess amount of water what we are using in our daily life. We should plant more and more trees as much as possible in our surroundings. That's all from us.
At last, we conclude that drought affect our whole system very badly. So we encourage people to plant more trees with this drought become less, and also encourage people to use less usage of water, and due to this drought condition does not come.
Yes, and lastly, I want to conclude my points. As you know, today our government provides many policies for farmers and other money. That's people are not known about this program. That's our government are provided monies and economics for making a reservoir around cities and villages. So we should need to aware our society that people who are able to
Friends, as we know that our Indian state like Uttar Pradesh is the most supplier of sugar cane, and we know that sugar cane crops are available to uses mode of water, and in condition of droughts, sugar cane crops are mostly affected, and it's mostly affected. Our farmer gets also been affected and gets suicide. But in my opinion, suicide is not only the take a step by our farmer. We take hand to condition like drought to control our condition like drought to control. How our condition like drought to control? We uses less amount of deforestation. We uses less amount of water in other things like wastage of water and polluted our water mainly. And third case is that is migration. Migration is not only problem like drought. Drought is also one of the cause. So we control our droughts. We also control the migration, and we also control the economic system like GDP.
Drought
and
badly
also
affected to human being and marine life also, and due to this our farmer suicide, and Ministry of Water are supply all the villages to clean water. This is good step.
At last, I conclude that drought is a major disaster for all the country. We are responsible for this. We have to plant more and more tree as much as possible.
At last, I would like to conclude that drought happened because of the imbalance in nature, and somewhere we are also responsible for it. For the imbalance in nature, we have to provide proper afforestation and use less. And from our side, we have to provide use less amount over excess. We have to reduce over excess use of water, over exploitation of water, and proper education to the farmers that what crops are needed to be harvested, because sugar can use more amount of water than compared to the others, and it has to be get enough water. And from government side, the canals and reservoirs should have to be made from to the perennials rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari and Satluj, so that the drought prone area like Maharashtra, UP, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh should be get more enough water.
At last, my conclusion, we are the main problem of drought, so it is our responsibility to encourage our society and planting more and more trees and reduce the waste of water. And also I request government they come some act to reduce the population in our country. That's all.
Drought is not a natural phenomenon, but also what is responsible for man, because it's extra starvation of water. Extra starvation of water. There are three types of droughts. First meteorological, second hydrological, and third agricultural droughts. So I conclude some points that how can prevent it from the problems of drought.
Drought is a religious global issue and that needs to be resolved soon. And this can be done if all the peoples and governments until understand their jobs. And in this regard, you have to need a better stewards. That can be a better option.
Last, my conclusion: drought is the main cause of population. So reducing population and more than planting in tree and less than usage in water.
Yes, at last my conclusion, drought is a major problem in India. So it's we are aware this problem and save water. That's all. Thank you.
At last, I conclude we should use less amount of water and control on our population.
At last, I want to conclude my point by saying reduce the drought. We should aware of everyone and more planting and control population.
My last conclude that droughts stop for saving water and not deforestation, and government start for pyar ka paudha.
In my last conclusion, we should reduce excess in water plant and thanks.
Dear friends, in our country, most of the people depends on agriculture, and droughts is a very dangerous for agriculture. So less droughts. We should serve the plant and less water for use.